Okay, going into the Carver 33SS. I'm going to step on board here. Nice big cockpit back here with plenty of storage. Does have lights up here. Nice transom door, nice contoured steps to go up to the fly bridge. Ice maker. Nice helm seat, great visibility. Excellent isinglass. Nice full enclosure. They all unzip and roll up. If you don't want to take it all down, you can roll it up and take it for a cruise. Well appointed helm with tilt wheel, twin shaft driven, radar, GPS, autopilot, VHF marine radio, just under 600 hours. No rips, no tears. The vinyl's in great shape. The dash is in excellent condition. The gauges, there's no cracks or crazing or fading. Nice bench seat up front. Tons of storage, as you can see. Lots of storage. All these compartments have storage. And there's a subwoofer for the sound system in here, a JL audio sub. And like I mentioned earlier, it does have the sun pads. Very well appointed. So we'll take a look at the inside of the boat next.